Triangle. 3 sides, 3 angles with a total angle measure of 180 degrees. A triangle is a shape lying in a plane with 3 sides and therefore 3 angles. A very interesting aspect of all triangles, no matter what the length of the 3 sides, is that the sum of the 3 angles always adds up to 180 degrees. In a world that seems so random, having any and all triangles sum their angles to the exact same measure seems very calculated. It is one of the reasons that math plays a role in philosophy, as it is proof of anything but a random universe. There are many different types of triangles. A right triangle is a triangle with one 90-degree or right angle. An acute triangle is a triangle with all 3 angles less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with one of its angles greater than 90 degrees. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with 2 equal length sides and therefore equal measure base angles. The base of an isosceles triangle is the third side that is not an equal length to the 2 equal length sides. A scalene triangle is a triangle with all 3 sides of different lengths. A triangle is a 3-sided flat shape with 3 angles. Related words: acute triangle, obtuse triangle, right triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle.